Hey beauties, and welcome back. So today I'm so excited because I have partnered with Fabfitfun to share with you guys their brand new summer box. And it is really heavy, you guys, so I know that this is chock full of amazing goodies, so I cannot wait to dive in. First and foremost, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull out my Fabfitfun mag with the gorgeous Eva Longoria on the cover, because I'm gonna open up to the page that shares what's in the box so that I can tell you guys everything and its retail price, because I'm telling you guys, these Fabfitfun boxes are an absolutely amazing value. Full-size products, the box is always worth over $200. So I'm gonna share with you guys everything that's in my summer box. They're really neat because you can customize some of the items now, which I love. Also, great news for my Brit beauties, Fabfitfun is now shipping to the UK, which is really exciting. So you guys are definitely gonna wanna check this box out. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive right in because I already see a couple of the items that I chose from one of my favorite brands ever, especially for summertime because their products are so moisturizing. So I picked a set from Sol de Janeiro, and it comes with their Brazilian Bum Bum Cream and their Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. And I've actually tried both of these products and already know that they are amazing. So I'm so excited to use them. So this is a really moisturizing shower gel, and it does have a slightly creamy consistency. But the smell, I cannot even explain it. It is literally like a coconut cream pie mixed with like the best floral fragrance you've ever smelled. It's perfect for summer, super beachy, tropical vibes. So I absolutely love it. And I think that their packaging is really cute for summer as well. So I'm really excited about this moisturizing shower gel and their world famous, amazing Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, which is like the best moisturizer on the planet. It's so thick. And again, with the amazing smell, and it's not greasy at all, because you guys know how I am about greasy products. So yes, I'm putting this on right now because you guys, the smell is to die for. So good. It just is like the epitome of summer to me. I wear this every summer. They also sell a lip balm that I love. It smells like cocoa butter, and my son Colton really loves it as well. It's like a big fat chapstick, so I love it. So anyways, these are my goodies I picked out from Sol de Janeiro, and this set retails for $45. And now we take a break in this video for me to smell my hands for the next 10 minutes and pretend that I'm on a tropical island. So the next item in my summer box I am obsessed with. So good and so me. So these are the Odom What a Pair silicone wine glasses. It comes with a set of two. Oh yes. So these retail for $25. Obviously, because they're silicone, they don't break. So great if you're going to the pool or to the beach and you want to have a little drinky, but you don't want to break your wine glasses. So they are stemless silicone wine glasses. And they're pink. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. So squishy. I'm literally going to get so much use out of these next to the pool this summer. I have been wanting silicone wine glasses and I've never picked any up. So I was so excited when I saw these in the box because, hello, mama needs a drink sometimes. Oh my God, the freaking cutest. Next in my summer box, I got this Summer and Rose Navy Diamond Tote. I can't get over this. Look how stinking cute this is, you guys. So this is like a kind of canvasy material. It has rope handles, so really nautical, super cute for the pool or the beach. It does have a snap closure, which I like, so it's not just like wide open for everybody to see everything in your bag. It is fully lined, has an interior pocket, so this is just the cutest ever. And it's actually a really good size. Let me stand up and show you guys. Look at that. That's a really good size little beach tote, you guys. So cute. Definitely long enough to wear on your shoulder. I love it. So this Summer and Rose tote retails for $50. Fabfitfun is killing it. Don't worry guys, it's just water. It's a little bit early for wine yet. Where is it? Next up in my summer box is from Eiko London. Love this brand. This is their I Do liquid eyeliner to line and enhance. They have really nice products, so I already know it's going to be really great quality. The Eiko London black liquid eyeliner is $22. Really cute little packaging. And it's kind of like the fine tip marker style of eyeliner. Ooh, it's really nice. Applies really nicely. I like that. Super easy to use if you're like not the best at eyeliner like me. So you can see, applied that really quickly. It does say it's waterproof, so perfect for summer. Next up is a makeup setting spray from Kula, another amazing summer skincare brand. This does have SPF 30. That's amazing. I've never seen a makeup setting spray that actually had SPF in it, so I love that. One less step I have to do. This is organic and it gives you a matte finish, which will be nice so you don't end up looking oily or greasy. Let's pull it out and take a look at it. Oh, that's what's making the noise. It has one of those little roller balls in it to shake it up. Let's try it real quick. Ooh, it's really nice and hydrating. Super cooling on the face. It does have a light fragrance. It's like a florally smell, nothing intense. I actually really like it. Kind of like satined my makeup down a little bit because I was kind of having like a little bit of a dewy look, and this did kind of matte it out. So definitely if you tend to get greasy or oily during the day, this would be a super great option. So that's really nice, and the Kula makeup setting spray retails for $36. Next is from Wish. This is their coconut milk and verbena exfoliating foot mask. I'm not going to be demoing this on camera because nobody wants to see my feet, point blank. But this does retail for $32. It has a bunch of amazing natural ingredients. It's going to give you the softest feet ever. Thank you, Lord, because like I said, my feet are definitely still in winter mode. Oh, next I got the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. This is hydrating facial spray. So all the facial sprays for summer, this is really nice. It's nice to get a little boost of hydration, especially if you've been out in the sun or you're dried out from the pool. So this spray retails for $25.95. This is going to leave you feeling fresh and moisturized. So I'm not going to spray it on my face because I did just do my makeup and just put that makeup setting spray on, so I don't want to get too crazy with all the sprays at once. But I am going to smell it because you guys know I'm like weird about smells. Ooh, it's a really pretty bottle. Isn't that pretty? So we'll spray it in the air. Oh, yes, definitely a really nice light rose scent. And I'm excited that it's also hydrating. I've actually had a rose facial spray before, and it just makes your face honestly feel like a rose petal. It makes it so soft and hydrated. So I always really love those, especially in the summertime, on days like when I don't wear makeup, and I'll just use a rose facial spray. Just to give my skin like a bit of a refresher. So that's really, really nice. Couple more items in the summer box. This next one is from Generation Clay, and this is their Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Cool. So I've used Ultraviolet Brightening Purple hair shampoo, but never a clay mask. So this is really cool. It retails for $39, and this is going to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration. So I'm kind of curious. I want to look at it and see if it's like a dark purple like my shampoo that I use for my blonde is. Let me see. Nope, it's more like a light purple, like a plummy color. And it's definitely like a nice, creamy, hydrating clay. Really neat. So it's going to illuminate, brighten, refine, and nurture. So this is one of those tightening clay masks, which I always like. When you wash it off, your face just feels so soft. So this is going to be really fun to use this summer. And last but not least, I believe this is the last item. Yes, from Invisibobble. This is their original ponytail holder. I've been seeing people wearing these on Instagram. It comes with 3 clear and 3 nude. So perfect. And I've been seeing people wear these because apparently they don't leave like any kind of trace behind that you've had your hair up. We're always use the elastic bands and then it leaves like that weird crimp in your hair. I hate that. So I'm really excited to try these out and see if they really work because everyone's been wearing them and I'm like, hey, I need to try those. Ooh, They actually hold it. I always like, when I first saw people wearing these, I was like, what the heck? Because I just pictured them kind of sliding out, like being too slippery, because I have very fine, thin hair, so like nothing holds it pretty much. But these actually hold it really tight, so that's kind of crazy. They work a lot better than I thought that they would. So I will have to test these out and report back to you guys on if they leave like a crimp in my hair. But I can tell you that even if you have really fine, thin hair like I do, they're gonna hold it. And I only wrapped it around twice, and it was like a very secure hold. Like I could tighten it and everything. So that is really nice. Love those. They retail for $16, but this is a pack of 6. So that's really awesome. So those are all of the items that I got in my summer box. The total retail value for the Fabfitfun summer box is anywhere from $270 to $468. That is insane. I have a coupon code for $10 off for your first box that will make it under 40 bucks. So you cannot beat that. So I can't even tell you guys how impressed I was with this summer box. I love everything in it. Like there's not a single thing here that I'm not going to use. So definitely love everything. Great job this season, Fabfitfun. I love it. Be sure to check out again my $10 off coupon code. I also shared a video sharing the summer Fabfitfun add-ons. So I will link that down below if you want to check that out and see if there's anything that you want to add to your box. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.